it's time to get back at you for stealing my burger. Let's see how proud of this bubble you'll be after I pump it up a little. Bye-bye, Monica. I'm really gonna miss you. Check out my gun.
Nice.
It's really cool, right? But I still haven't figured out how to use it. Well, I guess I already figured it out. Ah! Who shot me down? Now I'm falling! Help! Andy, I think you gotta watch where you aim that thing. It's Monica! Ah! Hey, Lily. Can I get this gun? I think I need it right now. That hurts so much! I got a broken arm, and Monica stole my gun!
Hey!
Monica, that was so funny. Funny? I'll show you funny. Get back here!